Hi folks, I'm Paco Torres with Keller Williams Realty, and I thought I'd make this video today to answer some frequently asked questions I get. Mainly, are there any zero down loan programs in Virginia? So with me today, I brought in Ben Freshman with George Mason Mortgage to help answer that question. Hi Ben, how's it going?
Doing great, man. Thanks for having me back.
Yeah, absolutely. So Ben, let's jump right into that question. Are there any zero down loan programs in Virginia?
Yeah, in fact, there are several. We have a few internally at George Mason, but I think we should focus today on the VHDA program.
Ben, could you tell us a little bit about VHDA loans?
Absolutely. So VHDA stands for Virginia Housing Development Authority. It's a government program created to provide some assistance to some borrowers who thought they may not be able to qualify for loans before. One of the biggest benefits is with this down payment assistance, right? So meaning you can come in a couple different ways, either with a second loan to help with that down payment, or in some cases, even a complete grant that you don't actually have to pay back.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. You don't have to pay it back. Anything else you can tell us about the VHDA?
Sure. There's a few restrictions to it. For example, there's some income restrictions. You can't make too much money. Also, there's a loan limit. You cannot go above $484,350. So it's going to limit some of the properties that you can go for. It also has to be your primary residence. You can't use it for a vacation home or investment property.
Okay, so with VHDA, does it take a longer amount of time to qualify for?
Not really. We like to add a little bit of extra time in there just because there's an added element. But no, we can still get it done very quickly if need be.
Does VHDA take care of anything outside of down payment?
It does, in fact. In a lot of cases, you can use that down payment assistance, whether it be with the second trust loan or with the grant, and actually use some of that to cover a degree of the closing costs as well.
All right, folks, there was a little information about VHDA. One of the key takeaways for me was outside of it being a zero down payment option, you also have the assistance with closing costs. And that's huge, and that can prevent a lot of people from taking that next step in the home buying process. So if the fear of not having enough down payment or closing costs has been preventing you from making that move, there's one option right there for you. And as Ben mentioned, there are several others internally in George Mason Mortgage. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about those loan programs and VHDA, click the link below. My guest again has been Ben Freshman with George Mason Mortgage. I'm Paco Torres. Thanks for watching.